What's up, nail crew? It's Nicole, your fellow nail obsessed DIYer, and we are jumping right into this mani that you saw those pictures of. This is my first collab with my friend Carrie of This Chef Dips, and I will link her YouTube channel in my description. We decided to do this really fun chrome mani. If you know me, you know my motto is chrome everything. So when we were looking at what manis we could do, I saw some inspo for one like this off Pinterest, and we were like, oh my gosh, yes, like this is great. I've been wanting to do a French chrome where basically you still put the chrome all over the entire mani, but you have a dark color underneath so that the chrome really pops on the French part. For my mani, I used OG's Builder Gel as the base. It's baby pink, and then I did a layer of gel base and gel top over it since I used peel base under all my manis. And then I did, oh, you know what though? Yeah, I did do peel base. I did think about that for a sec. And then I decided to use gels for the mani. I have not used a striping brush very often to do these French tips, but I've seen people do it and I thought, you know what? I can do this. Like, I'm really trying to push myself to do some more like fun nail art and challenge myself with like what my skill level is for my nails. So this is a great opportunity and something really fun to do that I could just push myself using the long striping brush, the nail brushes. I got this nail brush off Amazon. I'll make sure I leave a link in my description for that. And the technique that I use, I've seen people do on Instagram, on their reels, and on YouTube here on their shorts, where you do a line across where you want like the basic part of your nail, or you want the base of the French to be, and then you go down your nails with the sides of the brush to like make the dropped part of the French. I don't know, whatever you call that. And then you just basically fill the rest in and kind of curve around it. Then you can take a cleanup brush and clean up anything that's left to really crisp up that French line. And that's what I ended up doing on all of my nails, and that's what I ended up doing for the French, and it really worked well. I was really surprised and proud of myself for being able to figure out how to do this, since I think I've only ever done it like maybe 2 other times. But I love the look of a French mani, so I really want to start practicing this more. I have so many ideas for like the fall, for rest of fall, and then for the holidays coming up. I am going to have some parts of Carrie's video showing how she did hers as well. So like here you can see she's doing a similar technique of doing the line across and then doing the lines down and then filling in the top. And mine is sped up a little bit more. That's why it looks like it's going really fast compared to hers. Her technique is absolutely gorgeous. I love how she did the lines down a little bit further, like made a deeper French. I am absolutely loving that. So I'm definitely going to try that the next time I do a French mani. Today I wanted to also talk to everybody about some of the things that I love about the nail community, since I'm really trying to give you guys some more information about me and let you know me a little bit better. And so you can, really know like why I love doing my nails, and some of the good, the bad, the ugly, everything. I'm a very open person, so that's just what I'm gonna go with here on my channel, like being very, very open about everything. When I first started doing my nails a couple years ago, I do have a video talking about why I got into nails and what really made me get started. From the start, it has been a major mental health thing for me doing my nails. Anytime I'm feeling like really anxious, if I do my nails at night, it just gives me a break from everything and makes me really focus and just takes my mind off of everything. So for me, the nail community has been huge in being like super supportive and there's always going to be bad eggs in the bunch. No matter where you are, there's always going to be some people who aren't as kind, who aren't as nice. But that is so much drowned out by how many amazing people are in the nail community. I have found that to be really supportive, especially the longer that I've been in the nail community. When I first started like a little over 3 years ago, honestly, the feel wasn't as supportive as it is now. It was more just like, show your pretty manis, everybody ooh and ah, and those people really did not help. And part of why I want to start my channel was because I really wanted to change that. And the community that's there now, that's really changed, it's much more supportive. People really do not tolerate any type of like bashing. I mean, there are some groups maybe that do, but I'm not involved in those, and I've chosen to stay out of them. And just really, I found some really nice friends, and I've made some lifelong friends, and that's been a great thing for me, a mom of 3 kids who is at home, or at work, and I work I work with family. So, you know, it's really nice to be able to talk to other people who have similar interests to me. And, you know, just kind of, it's nice to have friends. And it's funny how I've become friends with so many of these people, and we actually haven't met in person, but I talk to them on a regular basis. And that's been so amazing. That part of the nail community has just been finding all these people with like interests, and building this community is really, really important to me. Again, that was part of why I wanted to start a YouTube channel, because I really feel like I want to help everybody enjoy doing their nails and really like build this loving, supportive, uplifting community of people who just want to have pretty nails at the end of the day. Like, really, we just want to have nice nails, you know? So back to this mani that I was doing, I decided to change up how I did my thumb compared to the rest of my nails. On my thumb, I chromed over base gel, and you'll see the thumb. See how the thumb like looks almost not grainy, but looks like a little bit more shimmery. If you chrome over flash cured base gel compared to flash cured gel top coat, it's going to give you more of that shimmery chrome effect. So if you like that shimmery chrome effect, chrome over base gel, and then don't wipe it off or anything. Finish curing after you flash cured and rubbed in the chrome. Then apply another layer of base gel, cure that, another layer of gel top, and cure that. But if you like it to be that super slick, super sheer look on the rest of my nails, you'll want to do your chroming over the gel top coat that's flash cured. And I only flash cured mine about 10 seconds, and then I rubbed the gel in, or rubbed the chrome in, and then I went and did gel base and gel top over it. And you can see Carrie's mani above here. Like, look at her gorgeous mani. It's this stunning green. I am so excited with how our manis turned out, and this was so fun. Tell me in the comments below if you have tried chrome yet. Have you tried chrome French, chrome anything? And what is your favorite kind of chrome? Do you like the regular color chromes? Do you like the unicorn chromes? Because there are so many chromes out there. And if you didn't know this, you can also chrome shimmers, shimmer dip powders. That is right. You can chrome super shimmery dip powders. I have an entire playlist devoted to the Hailey Bieber glazed manis, which are all the chrome manis that I've done. And one of those there, you also can learn how you can chrome a shimmery dip powder. So check out this next video and learn how to chrome with me. Thanks so much for joining me today, nail crew.